Hello and welcome to BZW-1. Today we are presenting the BZW-4001G-E semi-automatic sensor cable production line, designed for sheet twin core sensor cables and widely used in automotive ABS sensor harness processing. This production line integrates sheet stripping, core stripping, terminal crimping, and housing insertion into one streamlined process. The production line is equipped with terminal insertion depth detection to ensure consistent quality. It also features color recognition with automatic triggering. Mismatched wires are rejected with real-time alarms. Defective harnesses are automatically detected, cut off, sorted, and flagged by the system, ensuring only qualified products pass through.